All right, guys, we're currently here back in Los Angeles at Steve POV's man cave. Look at this. This is the dream, guys. This is the dream. Look at this garage right over here. We got the 458 with the wide body kit, totally decked out with the lights and everything. We got the GTR. We got the 240Z in the back, and of course, oh, there he is.
What's up?
There we go, Steve's
Welcome
POV.
to the garage, man.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good.
Boom.
Nice to see you.
Dude, 69. What's good?
Blame it on the Japanese guys.
Yeah, there you go.
Right? Blame it on them. Hey, I have no responsibility for number 69. Although it kind of does fit this kind of style.
It kind of does. No, absolutely. Can you tell me exactly what kind of style of truck this is, or what the style is called in Japan?
Yeah, man. The Japanese call these, when you got fenders like these over fenders in here.
Oh yeah.
Works fenders, right?
Yeah.
So this is a full works. This is an old school style, real wide. This fender's probably cut up to about there. This is then actually screwed on in this case, many times riveted on, and then you put really wide. These are 14-inch wheels that have about a 12-inch wide tire on it.
Okay.
It's almost like a square. There's
yeah.
Here's a sample of one. Right here.
Dang.
So if you look at it, it's almost as wide as it is round. This is 14-inch, and these tires are not made anymore.
Right.
So in order
they're pretty hard to find, right?
Really hard to find, and they're starting to remanufacture them. You have to almost buy them used and recarve them out to have them in the past.
Gotcha.
Now, and if you look on here, these are slicks.
Yeah, I was just looking at that. I was like, there's no treading on them.
No, man. Those are actual racing tires. Yeah.
Are these the same size tires as the Bose SUPERCAR that I have?
Yep.
Yep.
You're going to need these for your car, Gordon. You're going to need... Now, you should be very good to know that there are going to be tires available for your car.
That's good.
But I heard you got a fresh set anyway when you bought it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Fresh set, so...
Smart negotiation.
There you go.
Expensive, dude. One of these tires is about $500 in Japan right now.
What?
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
What? Okay, so...
$500. The Ferrari tires are cheaper than that.
Yeah.
Got the Bluebird front end on the truck.
Gotcha.
So it's kind of actually called... In Japanese, they would call it normally a sunny tora, sunny truck.
Oh, okay.
It's now a buru tora.
Buru. Oh, okay.
So this is more of a buru tora than
Buru
a sunny
tora. Gotcha. Yeah. Okay, cool, man.
Tora is always truck, though, in case you don't know.
So we got Steve's 458 right over here. You just got a brandly fresh new wrap on it. Set of HREs, right?
Yeah, we got the HREs, HRE, protective film with the wrap.
Gotcha.
Skeppel design, man, helped me lay this whole thing out. Skeppel Scott was awesome. But this is the combination of everything that I love, man. It's like you got Liberty Walk.
Oh, yeah.
You got Morohoshi.
Yep.
Speaking of, you're famous for those two guys now, aren't you, huh?
Uh-oh.
While they're battling at Tokyo Auto Salon, they're coming together on Steve's POV.
There you go.
How's
Boom.
that for beauty,
Beautiful.
man? World peace.
I
right
love
here.
that. There's a lot of flashing lights and LED lights on this car. Can you show us what it looks like with the car turned on?
Do you want to hear it too, Gordon? Because it's got this FI exhaust on it that is so
that's
neat.
right.
I think a cold start would be really
Let me look at the
worthwhile.
exhaust tips here.
Yeah, dude, come look at the exhaust
FI makes amazing exhaust. Look at that.
Yeah, man. And it came with those nice colored tips that blend in to my wrap and everything.
Oh, this is perfect.
All right, so here's what we're going to do, I guess.
Okay.
You're going to see the lights as soon as I turn it on.
Oh, yeah, absolutely, yeah.
And then...
But wait, before we go any further, you told me your buddy who did all the lights, they're done like individually. It's not like a kit where you just buy it.
No, there's nothing you can buy that's on this car that comes out of a box and then went onto this.
So it's just...
Lots of different components.
Yeah.
And lots of wire and lots of different types of lights and different
soldering and everything.
And then the expertise of Yamaguchi from Japan to put it all together in a way. It's not that easy, man. Where you run the wires, how it's all controlled.
Right.
The different places. You have so much heat in these cars. You have things that are moving.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work, man.
So I can see some right here.
A lot of work. You got some hidden up in there.
Yep.
You got strobes down in the grill down there.
Oh, I see them.
See them?
That's crazy.
But there's places that you won't see them too. Okay. So they light up.
All right, let's see it. Fire her up, baby. By the way, guys, my Bose SUPERCAR in Japan, we're getting that sorted out. Many thanks to Steve POV and his many connections in Japan. But that car has a very similar wrap or livery to this 458. So we got to get the two cars here side by side in the near future when all the mods on that car are done. But let's see these lights. Here we go. Oh, yeah. No way. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 on this side. This is nuts, dude. This is giving me flashbacks to Japan. And we got the underglow as well. Look at that. Oh my God.
Underglow.
Dude, this is sick.
Check the back, Gordon.
All right, let me check the back. Hold on.
The back, and then I'm gonna fire it up.
Oh.
You can really.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, all the lights here in the back.
In the compartment.
Yep. Oh, engine compartment as well. There's two there. There's a bunch in the diffuser. Are we getting a cold startup or?
I'm giving you a cold start.
All right, I'm gonna step back a little bit here. Hold on.
Yeah.
Holy crap! That body's gone. It's crazy.
Oh, nice about this exhaust. So you don't piss the neighbors off all the time. Listen.
Oh, the valve control.
Yeah.
Nice. There you go. FI exhaust valve control, baby. Woo! Well, hold on now, Steve. So you got the GTR right here to the left, right-hand drive manual.
Yes,
You
sir.
got the 458 over
sir.
here. Which one gets more attention? Come on now, let's just. Oh, really?
Not even close, man. Not
Seriously?
even close. I'll tell you what. This
Wow.
car. You'd be surprised. You'd think of
No,
Ferrari
right.
and everything else, dude.
Right, right.
At least on my channel, people I know.
Yeah.
It's classic cars.
Oh, absolutely.
And the Skyline, the Hakosuka is the #1.
Dude.
Of all of them.
There you go. Oh. Hop in this bad boy right over here. Do a couple errands. See what this car is all about. Oh yeah.
Hey, Gordon.
What's up, dude?
Let's see if that speed will go back for you a little bit more. Try to push
Oh
back.
no, I got
There you
plenty
go.
of space
Nice.
here, and we're back with the flip flops.
Yeah,
Sunny California, baby.
I was gonna say though, how are you gonna drive my car with flip flops on? That's gonna be difficult.
Steve, you're telling me this is your favorite car out of all the cars you own at your man cave?
Out of all of them, Gordon, this is my most favorite one. No
Nice.
question about it. You know why?
way.
Listen.
Oh yeah, dude. It feels like going like a million miles an hour. Dude, I just can't wait to get my Bose Suzuki car in the
Listen to this.
States. This is awesome, dude. And what you guys are not getting on the camera is the smells, dude. The smell.
The smell, that
man.
carburation,
Oh,
the
yeah.
gasoline.
Oh yeah.
Sounds of things that you don't get in new cars, man.
got the fuzzy
Fuzzy
dice.
dice from my old American school stuff. All this Japanese stuff right here.
Oh yeah, is that the thumbs up right there?
Yes, sir.
No way.
got
Can
the
we
official thumbs
buy
up.
that, or is that like?
Hell yeah. I don't know if this one's available, but I got
okay.
thumbs up stickers like these all over my site.
Oh nice. Fans here of the '71 Skyline GTR. Man, dude, I'm telling you, this car is super fun, super low to the ground. You feel like you're going like a million miles an hour. And you're going like the speed limit, so you don't have to speed to have fun. That's kind of the motto of all three of my cars that I have in Japan right now. We got the Bose Suzuki, we got the Toyota Century, and of course the S600 with the, you got it, $12,000 exhaust. You don't have to speed to have fun in a car. Anyways, we're gonna roll out. Let's go. If this video gets, let's do 5,000 likes. We're gonna take the Ferrari out with all the flashing lights with Steve driving the car. 5,000 likes, that's all I'm asking for, guys. It's not even that much. We could do it. 5,000 likes, we'll take the Ferrari out. And I don't know, yeah.
I like that idea. 5,000 likes, that's easy for you guys.
Yeah,
Done.
dude. Steve,
Been
thank
hanging
you
out
so
with you
much.
as always,
Really appreciate
Gordon,
it, man.
In Japan and the US now,
Yes,
too.
sir.
I'm loving it.
And we were just discussing the Bose Suzuki car, so
Yes.
stay tuned for that. I'll give you guys an update on the whole situation. But for now, we're gonna bounce and run a couple errands. So, dude, Steve, thank you so much, man. Really
See you
appreciate
again.
it.
You're welcome back anytime, my man.
All right, thank care.
Thanks, Gordon.
Thank you, man. There you guys have it. Many thanks to Steve POV for always hooking it up. Make sure to check out his channel. Link somewhere down below because he's kind of like a mentor to me in regards to JDM, underground car culture. But we got to talk about the Bose Suzuki car, guys, because first things first, I'm leaving it up to you guys to decide what mods to put on my current Bose Suzuki car. I have a whole list of mods that I've written down on my laptop right here on my notepad. I have around 10 of them. I want you guys to choose the top 3 mods you guys want to see on the Bose Suzuki car, and then we're going to send it to a shop recommended by Steve POV, and then we're going to begin the work immediately because we're going back to Japan very soon. First things first, we might need a new front bumper because currently the bumper, it's a little short, and we kind of want to extend it by, I don't know, 15, 20 centimeters, maybe an entire foot, so to speak. And of course, the second potential mod is the extended front splitter. So imagine the car right here, and the front splitter just extends like 2-3 feet. and it juts outwards like that. It's very, very impractical, and I might need to ask the shop owner to see if it's even feasible to do like a replaceable or a removable front splitter, so to speak. So the third potential mod is the Takayari, and basically what that is the exhaust extenders in the rear. I have 2 of them right now. They're around 4 feet long, so we might need to extend them by a couple feet. And the real question is, do we do 2 or do we do 4? Do we do straight up or do lightning bolt ones? The fourth potential mod is a wing in the back. I already have a small slight ducktail in the rear, but I need a proper wing. So what do you guys think about a new paint job? How about some LED lights like Steve POV's car? How about a front mounted oil cooler with hoses? Anyways, guys, look, we're running short of time. We gotta head to Beverly Hills very soon. We got Mr. Sheep just chilling right up there on the TV. But let me know your top 3 mods you want to see on my Kaido Racer / Bosozoku car, because I need your help and feedback. I need something crazy, but I think with a few mods, guys, we can make this really shine and make it even crazier. So, top 3 mods, comment below. Let's roll. So guys, we're just perusing through Beverly Hills here, and well, what do you guys think? We got a virus car over here. Test for flu. It looks like something out of Nickelodeon. This thing is something else here, guys. What do you guys think? Beverly Hills PD getting serious. They're hiding. Oh. You see that? He was on the sidewalk. He's going after someone. Hold on. Did I just... He just leapt off that sidewalk there. Hold on. Oh, maybe they're on their phone, I think. Oh no, dude, guys, that timing was impeccable. No way. Oh shit, son. Oh, wait, who? Uh-oh. No. 2 for 2. He let the other guy off with a warning. Man, it's the fucking killing fields out here. Oh no. If you guys think end of the month quotas are not a thing here, they most certainly are. This is probably like the 10th car that's gotten pulled over here in Beverly Hills in the past 2 hours. This is very suspicious. There's another 2 cops up here that's pulled over, I think, a Range Rover. I mean, it's the end of the month, end of January. I don't know. Is this a coincidence, or is this something that's just premeditated? Let me know in the comments below if this happens in your city or country. Yeah. We just parked the car here on Rodeo. I think this... Hold on. Oh no. Oh, right behind us, yo. Hold on. Let's zoom in. I apologize for a very dirty side mirror here, but yup. Another one bites the dust. And this is a reason why a lot of cars don't come to Beverly Hills, and this is another reason why I personally don't come to Beverly Hills. Alright guys, so we got one guy pulled over, we got a cop, and is that a GT3 RS?
Yes. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's not 2.
2 RS? GT3 RS. He's having a little chit chat with Mr. GT3 RS over there. Guys, I'm telling you, man, I don't know. Oh no! Get the fuck out of here! No! No! Shit! So I don't know, guys. I was just in Japan for around 3+ weeks, and we never experienced any sort of harassment on this type of level right here, guys. This is pretty ridiculous. Say what you will, I've literally had police officers come up to my face and tell me, dude, we don't do end of the month quotas. Well, prove me otherwise. This is so crazy. We got the SUV police car, and one of the motorcycle cops just U-turned. We have prime A+ row seats here, guys. Hold on. When the light turns green, Max Showstack in the back here thinks the Mustang's gonna get pulled. It's gonna get pulled over. So, oh no! Max Showstack calling it play by play. Are you fucking kidding me? No, another one bites dust. No. We have noticed a trend here. Any sports car that gets pulled over, they are getting a ticket. Like the Mercedes behind me, he didn't get a ticket. A couple other regular cars didn't get tickets. So I don't know what's happening here, but yeah, it's not good. Oh no!
He went through the red.
Oh no!
Why would he do that?
Oh fuck! No, but like he flipped on the lights
Before
He still rolled straight through red.
but I think he
should just stop.
well, this guy's about to roll through the red too, even though it says no turn on red.
Well, like
but,
the other guy didn't even stop.
oh, fuck me running. Here we go. That was literally the most unfortunate sequence of events.
He stopped too far though.
Yeah, he stopped too far and then he rolled through the red, and we're pretty sure the cop was gonna pull him before he rolled through the red, and now he's stopped in front of the valet here. That's just oh crap.